Hey everybody, Hishitori here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I draw heads and to make it easier for you guys for beginners as well. So how I start is sometimes I will start with like a rectangular box and then I put my lines like down the middle of the square on both ends, and then I will draw like a slanted like diamond shape inside of the square to map out where I'm going to put the eyes and the nose and where I will probably place the ears when I fully draw the head in. So in this video, I'm going to be showing at least maybe 2 to 3 versions of how I draw heads for beginners to understand, and probably later on down the line find their own way of how to draw heads, because that's exactly what I did. I was just watching other YouTubers on how they draw heads and I learned from each one and I kind of found my own way. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys though, I'm still learning how to draw like the side profiles myself. Over time, you know, in a way, we're both learning together. Like I said, it's for beginners. So this is my way of helping you guys and to help me learn how to draw like the side profiles. But yeah, so I still kind of use like the square trick and then like a slight triangle, just to map out where the chin might be, where the neck will be, where the nose would be, everything. Another thing that I forgot to mention was in the slight diamond shape that I did for the side profile, I will kind of draw, like start the ear line from the center and then make the curve towards like the bottom of the diamond. So the second method that I try is I just draw the circle and then I put the line straight down the middle, like same with like the square, and then probably just like the eyebrow line, and then I add a little chin line underneath it to where I want the chin to go. Now I do tend to have a bad habit of making the circles a little bit bigger than they're supposed to, so sometimes my characters tend to probably have bigger heads by accident, so that's why you see me like editing it to making it look smaller. But yeah, I tried that tip, and then I just tend to draw where the lines will meet towards where the line is with the cheekbones, and then I just draw the whole head in and finish it up like that. For the side view, I still draw the circle and then I draw a mini circle inside of it and still make the lines through it so I can map out where I'm going to place the ear at. So I still make the slight triangle on it to guide me to where the chin is located as well. And I sometimes use this method for the side profile. It makes it look a little bit easier versus using the square. Sometimes the square can help, but then the head itself gets too boxed in, I guess, however you say it. So I tend to use this method also to help me out. In plenty of my other art projects, I have tend to use like the square method or just the circle method, you know, just drawing the face in and then the lines to guide me to where I put the eyes and everything at. So yeah, like I said, you learn as you go. I just happen to like go to each like YouTuber, whoever I find, and it just learn from them on how, you know, they have their ways of drawing faces and where they locate the eyes. So like I said, as you know, over time you'll get better at it. You just have to find your own way. But this to me seemed like it's pretty easy and like a beginner's method. So do what you feel is like best to you, and I bet you that it'll come out just great. For the last method that I did, I went ahead and draw the circle like usual, but then when I started drawing the side cheekbones, I stopped halfway and it just had the line where the chin would be and it just connected from there. It also goes the same for the like side view profiles, pretty much the same way. Still drew the circle inside and did the lines in it to show me where I can draw the ear at and the eyes and everything. So again, do what's best for you guys or what's easier for you, and do what's also comfortable to you. I want to thank you guys for watching. Hope this video helped you guys out. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Maybe add it to your playlist so you can come back to it. I post new videos every Tuesday. Be sure to hit that bell next to the subscription button to keep updated on my new videos. See you guys next time. Bye.